Memory, 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 memory. My memory is bad. Okay, let's get started. So what we're going to be doing in this video is song association. And the reason why I'm just going to do this at the same time, okay? The reason why I wanted to do this was because I saw Keke Palmer's song association video on YouTube. I think it was like, I don't think it was with Vogue magazine, but it was with one of these magazines. So I was like, you know what, that would be so cool, because I was guessing songs with her as she was going. And so I downloaded the song association app on my phone, and today we're gonna be playing. So let's get into it. I'm pretty sure you're tired of seeing me doing my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the app over here on the screen. Hopefully it's recording. Is it recording? Yes, it is. Good. Okay, so welcome to Song Association. If this is your first time playing, you may want to watch a tutorial. Yeah, clearly, you can tell I need tutorials in my life. Okay, how to play. Song Association. Hi, and welcome to Song Association. In Song Association, you'll be given a word, and you have 10 seconds to sing a lyric containing that word. Each round has 15 words. Okay? To start, pick any category. This tutorial is very fast. Hold up.
Play, classics. Okay, ready? You have to start when you're ready. 3, 2, 1, ever. If you're playing with a friend, shout it out or show them the word. If you successfully could swipe right to the next word. If you want to pause, immediately swipe left, okay? If it's taking a while to get the exact words in the song, no worries, hold your finger down and the timer will force to 0, then swipe right to release, okay? If you ever need a pause, just swipe up the card.
Challenge your friends today in pairs or in a group. This tutorial is going really fast. Slow down. Ready? Well, I have to be. It's not like I'm gonna repeat that tutorial. Gosh. I think I'm gonna go with stay home. Shuffle. Let's just go with shuffle. Okay, this is the shuffle. Yeah? You agree? Yeah. Okay. I'm now kind of scared because I don't think I was prepared. Okay. My song knowledge. You know what? Never mind. Okay. Shuffle. Mix your favorite decks in here. Oh, okay. Shuffle. Classic. But wait a minute, what's this got to do? If it's just a word, then why does, you know what, never mind. I'm just gonna shuffle all of them. Play. Okay, let's do this. Ready? Well, no, but go, just do it, okay? You're making me nervous. Yes! Okay, 3, 2, 1. Princess. Princess? That's a stupid word. I don't know. I'm sorry. Fail. Okay. Business. Miss Ind. No, that's not business. That's got nothing to do with business. Amor. Mi amor. I'm pretty sure that's a song somewhere. I don't know this game. Listen, I thought it was gonna be easy. Okay, I know. Lento. DJ Tina. Lento. No, I'm giving myself that one shame. Only. Only. Hey, get them only. I got that one right. Okay. Arms. These arms. Bon Jovi. There's a song by Bon Jovi. Something to do with arms. Okay, I feel that one. Sick. So sick of love songs. You thought you were gonna catch me out? Nope. Sway. That old guy sings New York. What's his name? Okay, I don't know. Memory. My memory is bad. Fail. Oh, candy shop. How did you think I was gonna not have that? I take you to the candy shop. Hey, okay. Nice. Oh. Okay. Song. I'm not gonna write you a love song, cause you asked, yes. near the road, near and far, far and near over here, dear. I don't know. Pancakes. Girl, bye. You're just trying to make me fail. Pancakes. I don't know. I'm sorry. I can't do that. Enemy. Woo! Enemy. Jayo, keep me firm and strong. Oh wait, does it have to be in the title? No, I don't think so. Okay, whatever. Oh, wait. Is that it? What? Oh, okay. I got 6 out of 15. Well, that's the video. I am pretty sure you didn't get those right either, so excuse me. Stop judging me over the other side of this camera. But yeah, guys, that's today's video. I just thought I should do something a little fun, something a little out there for this video. Yeah, 6 out of 15 is terrible. I always used to watch those videos and think, girl, bye, hello, there's so many songs with that name in it. I don't even think I played the song right. I mean the game right. I feel like I was supposed to say what has I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Don't forget to watch my my twist out fail if you're interested, because it is a fail. I'm telling you right now. So don't go there and be like,
oh my gosh, it don't even look that nice. Oh my.
That's what I just said. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.